Implant retained removable prosthetics can look in a whole bunch of different ways. We have bar retained denture on the top. I do like those for removables. So I do like to support the implants together with a bar, and then the prosthesis still, very, very petite, will slip over the top of that and really click in place. These things fit like a glove. And I've got to tell you, you can really, I would even argue that they're as stable as an all-on-X restoration. They're sometimes very hard to get out. But the big advantage of these ones is that you can get them out and you've got a big chance of keeping everything clean and maintained. As far as from a professional dental maintenance point of view, they're a lot less costly to maintain. With an all-on-X solution, when we maintain them, we've got to unscrew everything, and every 2 or 3 times we unscrew it, we've got to put new screws in because the screws wear out when we take them in and out all the time. And, it's a costly exercise even maintaining an all-on-X solution, whereas we don't have that problem with these removable ones. Those nylon lugs and the little orange ones on the one on the right, they're the wear and